This 2021 Jayco Seismic 4113 double slide, side patio, 1.5 baths is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 45 feet 7 inches in length and features a tan, brown classic neutrals interior, sleeps 7, auxiliary battery, TV, skylight, air conditioning, self-contained, slide-out, and 100 gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, front bedroom, loft, mid-kitchen, patio deck, raised patio, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Jayco Seismic 4113 double slide, side patio, 1.5 baths is 16,746 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.